Alright, let's take a look at the X-Lite Brace and also stick end set. What do you call this? Little stick ends to replace the stock ones. They have also red ones. I got the silver ones. So here's this. You know, on the picture on Banggood, I thought this was like some kind of translucent plastic, but the one I got was like an opaque white. You can see it's very thin, flexible, which helps with the fit. Hopefully it won't tear over time. Hopefully it holds up. It doesn't come with these stickers. These are stickers that came with the X-Lite. So if you have the X-Lite, you have some of these stickers. So just put those on there. And it came with these little foam pads, which you put on yourself. Didn't really say where to put them, but I have just decided to put them in these spots. You may not need them, but let's see. So here's how it works. There's a little clip on the front, and this is the loop where you can put a strap. So unclip that, and it opens up like this. See, very soft. And then when it's clipped together, it should hold together once you put it under tension. So let's apply it here to an X-Lite. So this does correct. One of the things I didn't like about the X-Lite was that there's no way to put a neck strap on it. So there you go. Clips in there like that. And that's how it fits. I mean, it's not the greatest looking thing. It's kind of odd even, but it does add a hook and it bounces right in the middle, so that's perfect. And unfortunately, this set doesn't come with the neck strap, but I have one from my old QX7. So it's actually kind of not a tight fit, but you don't really have too much leeway in there. So it goes like that. And see, it balances just right. Now you don't have to put the controller down all the time. And also, here's another nice thing. You can leave this on and put it back in the case with the brace on it. And even just kind of wrap the strap up something like this. And then you can close it back up. And no problems. And then also the set came with this and also these different stick ends. These are slightly longer ones, and then these slightly shorter ones. These shorter ones are really not much shorter at all than the stock ones. In fact, let me take off one of the stock ones and show you. So there's the size comparison. Like I said, the shorter one isn't really that much shorter, but the main difference is the top is quite a bit pointier. So these are more comfortable, but these have more grip. So if your thumbs are slipping off of these, you might want to check these out, which your thumbs have a lot more grip on. But also, and don't forget, see, these are much shorter, so you can't use the grub screws that come with the stock stick ends. This has its own set of grub screws, and at first I didn't think it came with them, but they're actually underneath the little foam carrier here. So if you take that out, you'll find that there are longer and the really short grub screws included, just for a little bit of a change. And I will put the grub screw in there. But that's how that looks. So you can see the shorter one, not that much shorter than the red one, but it does have a very different feel because of the grippy end. So I don't know, I think I quite like that. I think I'll use that. So anyway, this set is, I think it was 24 bucks when I ordered it. So kind of expensive considering you're just getting this little piece of plastic and then the little stick ends. I think for 24 bucks it should at least come with its own strap.
The price is too damned high.
I'd say it works. It's not very elegant, but it does work, and I'm sure I'll keep using it. Just leave it on there. And yeah, so that's that. Thanks for watching.